it was only like 40.
50 daw, tinutoto.
Hindi, diesel siguro. Merong diesel, mabot 48.
Because I know isn't there 3 types? It's
Diesel.
like
Hindi, actually, dalawa lang. Diesel.
Premium.
Hindi, ano lang yun,
premium at
mga,
diesel.
ano lang yun, kinds ng parang brand, parang line ng gasoline, either gasoline or diesel lang naman yun eh. Yung diesel, they have power diesel, power this, power that, they have premium. But it's just
What's
gasoline.
the cheap one that, people usually get?
Diesel.
Kasi, diesel. Yeah. How much? Magkano?
50, 40. Di ba nasa 40
Like
plus?
40.
Oh,
46,
last,
right?
oh, mga ganun. Nasa,
Oo,
ganun.
40,
Nasa 40, 45.
States it's like $3.50, $3.73.
Oo.
Ang per liter?
Yeah, per liter.
Wow,
It's expensive. I can't. And if you have a big car, grabe sa gas, so.
Eh, mahal.
Oh, mahal. It's like $70 to fill up the whole tank.
Full time?
Or like, no, maybe not 70, like 65.
Tayo na mahal.
A van, if you have a van, $65. So it's like, how much is 1,000 pesos?
$20.
$20, so it's 3,000.
62, 46, 3,000.
3,000
plus.
pesos.
3 to 4,000.
Van.
Wow.
Talaga?
Pero sa bagay, I think mga ganun din ang ano eh. Full tank. Ay, hindi. Ang full tank namin dito nasa ano lang eh. Siguro ang mga mid-range na cars nasa 1,000 plus.
Yeah, it's good.
Oo,
here.
full
It's
tank
like
na yun.
20 something.
Oo, sa mga van,
1,000
no?
plus, oh.
Oo.
Mga mid-range. 1.5, ganyan siguro. 1.8.
So I minsan natipid ako sa gas. Like my friends, because we go out for lunch from school, because we have off-campus lunch, 4th year now. So, hey, let's take a car. Let's take your car. But it's little, we can squeeze. Because the gas is so mahal
May
sa
sasakyan ka?
vans.
Commute.
Oh,
Hindi ka nagko-commute?
Hindi. There's no bus. It's either that or walking.
Ah, kasi small town lang din.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, hindi lang.
Bike, di ba?
O, ba't
Bike.
di ka bumili
Di ba
ng
pang
bike?
states, mga pang
I
bike?
have to drive my sister to school then.
And don't you go to the same school?
Oh, now we do.
Now you don't.
Huh?
Now you don't.
Now we don't.
Sino kayo
But
nag-aakit
yes.
sa sister mo?
Pero
Before you left.
last year, I had to pick her up at her school too.
All girls school?
No, she went to junior high, middle school.
Why does she have a different school?
Because it goes, they don't do it. Junior high and
A
high
different
school,
school.
is combined here, right?
Okay.
Oo.
It says it's,
So different. So there are just schools that offer particular at a certain range.
it's
lang.
like preschool, then elementary, then
And
middle
it
school.
ends there.
high
Ah,
school.
okay.
And then
Ah, pangit.
Pero 2 years na yun, di ba? Junior sa senior.
junior year, or junior, or, what is
Junior,
it?
senior
Middle
year.
school is 3 years.
So parang may isang time na 3 years ka lang sa isang school.
Yeah.
Kami ito 6 years elementary. So yung mga group of friends mo dyan for 6 years. Mga
Oo,
kasama mo.
marami.
High school, 4 years.
4 years.
So lahat ng group of friends mo rin dyan, minsan galing pa
Oo.
elementary, sila pa rin yan. And then college, 4 years then. 4 years.
Oh.
Ang dami, di ba?
Law school, 4, 5, 7.
Pero sa maliit ng city ko, it's been since 1st grade all the way to high school. So I've known him since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 4, 8. Known for 12 years. So it's like, it's crazy.
Ay, may sugat ka.
Saan?
Patingin niya.
Aray! Ouch!
Oo, ka!
Ah!
Ano yan?
Patay.
Gasgas to, no?
Aray, sakit. Yak. Kaya pahawak niyo ng pagkain, dumi-dumi ng kuko. Ayoko na maging pulubi, please. Ayoko
Ako
na.
nga kapuputol ko lang ang kadiri.
Kadiri.
What's gonna talk
Pag
about
nakita yung kuko, bula-bula bibig.
Oh, yeah.
Tagal na bigan.
Yung naalala ko yung ginanong tae. Sa kabila, di ba?
Napre.
Sabi nga, no?
Tawa ka ba't kayo sunod-sukan-sukan?
Oo.
Imagine niya siguro talaga. Oo, bro.
Kasi nagugas siya na. Di ba lawak siya sa kamay niya?
Oo.
Oo.
Ano ang ginoke niya? Nag-joke ako nun. Mula siya eh. Man. Aray, ang sarap. Aray, ang sarap. Massage mo pa. Kami lang.
Landi mo naman. Masakit pa nga agad to
yung
ko
ulo,
eh.
ulo na lang, ulo. Sige na po.
Masakit pa.
Yes!
Sa isang araw na.
Baka wala na ako dito
Promise.
mamaya. Sige na.
Sa isang araw, promise.
But after 3 days living here, and then
Wala siyang pera.
no, afterwards I ran into my pinsan, the one that was here for the Christmas thing.
Mm.
Hindi ko
Si Ate
makita.
Lorna, she came and she gave me cell phone, polvoron, piatos.
A cell phone?
Uh,
Before you came here.
no, 3 days after.
Yun nga, before.
Oh yeah, before.
So you talked to her. But you didn't go to
So I
Batangas.
was able to. No, that's sayang.
Pero
Bawal.
did some of your family
No,
members?
sayang.
Pero some of
Hindi
your
ko na-
family members, went to see you?
Hindi mo
Kevin,
ginawa.
some of your family members went to see you?
Yeah. Four.
Auntie,
Relatives.
uncle, mga ganyan.
Mm. Wait, if it's your mom's brother, it's your uncle.
Mom's uncle.
Pero we always say kuya or ate.
Yeah, sa amin din.
Ako rin.
Kasi yung pinsan ng mga pinsan ng tatay ko, halos ka-age namin. Ang iba.
Ako rin, nanay. Ang tawag ko sa kapatid na nanay ko,
Kuya.
ate.
Pero grabe, have you ever been to the REM? The R? Hotel the R? REM Beret?
Remember that hotel?
Oh,
Yeah.
Brandon. Grabe, ang ganda. Man,
Maraming magagandang
so
hotel
nice. But I think it's
Shang,
mahal, I think.
Mm.
Yeah, it's like $80 a night.
$200.
$200 a night?
I think so.
Dollars?
Five, diba? 5 star.
Ano yan? Ako, ano yan?
Usually mga 5-star hotels merong, ewan ko, last time I went,
hotel?
No, I think
Shang, 80?
$80, like $200.
Shang, sa Shang, I
O,
think
Shangri-La Hotel.
there are $200 per night.
200 per night.
Per night. That's the regular bed nila. Regular, like one, pero it's so nice. Yung regular lang.
Nakapunta ka na doon?
Sobrang laki. Oh,
Ano
tito
yun?
ko lagi. Kaya pag dumadating tito ko, ganyan, stay doon. Yan, higa-higa, swimming
Wait.
pool. Sarap.
Hindi ko naisip yan. Wait.
Tulog-tulog.
You know the prices of the REM? Remember?
Tapos,
Pero grabe, ang ganda. It's next to a restaurant. It's next to TGI.
bastos
Ano
dito
na?
ni Bigel.
Bigel?
Tanga.
Ano na? Ano yun?
It's next
Yee! 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 Yee, gusto naman ni Bigel. Sabi ni Bigel,
Kung alam mo lang ako, ano mga pinagsasabi niya sa akin sa confession room, grabe. Ako na siya kasi si Tisa ay magkapareho na. Wala nung kami nangulangot palagi.
mukha nga.